Welcome back to the channel, your premier destination for luxury architectural design, smart home technology teardowns, and high-end interior staging hardware. Today, we are putting an absolute masterpiece of modern ambient design under the spotlight, a massive 78.74-inch recessed water vapor fireplace engineered specifically for luxury homeowners, interior designers, commercial lounge architects, and smart home enthusiasts who demand the dramatic visual warmth of a 2-meter flame line without real fire hazards, smoke venting, or dangerous heat buildup. The 78.74-inch musical water vapor fireplace with 3D realistic mist flame. Traditional fireplaces require expensive gas lines, chimneys, and constant maintenance, while standard LED screen fireplaces often look flat and artificial. This water vapor cassette completely redefines electric flame aesthetics by using high-frequency ultrasonic transducers to atomize regular water into a hyper-fine cold mist. Illuminated by a dynamic multicolor LED light engine, the rising mist dances unpredictably through the air, creating a three-dimensional flame effect so convincing your guests will hesitate to touch it. Yet because it is purely atomized water mist, it remains completely cool to the touch, making it 100% safe for homes with curious children and pets. Customization and atmospheric control are unmatched. Featuring 6 adjustable flame height levels and an 8-speed precision fan array, you can dial in everything from a subtle embers glow to a dramatic, roaring flame wall. The multicolor LED system lets you cycle through vibrant custom hues to match your room's interior palette, while an integrated sound engine projects realistic wood crackling audio to complete the sensory experience. You can even pair your smartphone via Bluetooth to stream relaxing background music directly through the unit. Hygiene and long-term maintenance have been thoroughly engineered. The fireplace incorporates a UVC purifying system that automatically sterilizes standing water in the tank, eliminating bacteria and mold growth before mist dispersion. An automated self-cleaning and drainage system prevents mineral scale buildup, ensuring long-term reliability without manual scrubbing. Controlling your fireplace is effortless using the included infrared remote, a dedicated smartphone app, or hands-free voice control via your favorite smart assistant. Designed to recess cleanly into custom wall cutouts, media walls, or commercial bar counters, it represents the ultimate convergence of luxury aesthetics and smart home automation. If you enjoyed this comprehensive architectural feature breakdown, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and drop a comment below. Would you install this 2-meter water vapor flame wall in your living room or master suite?